On these financial disclosure forms, not only do they show trips taken and money made off of book contracts, but also stock holdings. So that gives us a clue when a justice might be about to recuse from a case, step down, or it might explain once a justice isn't in a case. Many people don't know that when a justice doesn't sit on a particular dispute, he or she doesn't say why usually. And we have to go back to these financial disclosure forms and take a look. For example, Justice Breyer, on his form, it showed that he had stock in Cisco Systems and he didn't participate in a dispute involving the company. So that's another way that we can finally see a little bit of explanation for why a justice might be in or out of a case. The justices have a lot of leeway in terms of how they fill these things out and how they make them available. They do come very late in the year. They're not done electronically. We get them on paper, and there's really no actual oversight of the judicial branch except the judicial branch. Some people have asked the question of who polices the judiciary, and there are some outside advocacy groups that will try to call attention to the justices' trips, wondering, who the private funders are, or they'll look at potential conflicts of interest with stock holdings. And remember, the justices on the Supreme Court and judges who sit throughout the federal courts in the United States are appointed for life. It's very hard to get rid of one. There are proceedings within the judiciary if someone has violated any kind of ethical standard. So generally speaking, these forms, which are sort of opaque in and of themselves, don't get a lot of public attention.